With Valentine's Day just around the corner, we're going to show you a quick step-by-step on how to use an acrylic template to make a heart-shaped piece for your loved one. Just like we discussed in our last video, we're going to do the same steps for this piece. We're going to mark off our general outside layout, take it to the bandsaw to get our rough cut edge, attach our acrylic template to the piece, use a flush trim bit on the router table, and then do final finishing. Here we're using a 1/4 inch spiral compression flush trim bit by Bits and Bits, and there'll be a link in the description below to this bit. You can see how good of a job it does, even on some areas where I probably left a little extra material. Here we're using the SurfPrep 5-inch Orbital sander. We worked our way up through the grits and we're finishing here with a final sanding of 220. The dust collection on this SurfPrep sander is just excellent. I can't say enough about it. And the power of the sander itself is just incredible. And here's the most satisfying part of the whole project, getting to see all these amazing colors and grains pop during the oil up. We're using a Walrus Oil, cutting board oil here, that'll be great for any type of serving application and is also food safe. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to quickly and easily use acrylic templates to make special pieces. Happy Valentine's Day.